Have you tried to unlock the secrets of luxury shopping to elevate your wardrobe? I promise that by the end of this video you will have discovered 5 wardrobe staples you need to redefine your style. Plus, I will share expert tips how to wear these pieces to get the most out of them and look polished and put together every day. So, let's start! High-quality designer coat is a well-worth investment, especially when you live in a country with 4 seasons. Opt for a classic and timeless design that never goes out of style. My beige winter coat made of high-quality baby alpaca is an excellent example. It keeps me warm during the cold winter, goes with almost everything, and I can wear it for years without worrying about it looking outdated. The fit is relaxed, allowing me to wear it without the belt for a slightly oversized look, or I can tie the belt to create a more chic and polished appearance. But there are also things you should avoid. Never wear a coat with a slightly longer skirt or dress, it simply ruins your entire outfit. A little black dress is a true wardrobe staple. It's both versatile and elegant. It's a timeless piece that can be worn for years to come. Here's my favorite little black dress made of high-quality Cadi couture silk. It's a figure-hugging and super comfortable slip dress that offers many different styling options. Tailored trousers and made-to-measure skirts are well-worth investments that provide endless styling options. I personally prefer skirts, which is why I'm showing you one of my favorite skirts and how I like to style it. Made-to-measure blazer is one of the best investments you can make. A high-quality fabric luxury blazer is very versatile, can be worn from day to night, and it will always maintain a polished and sophisticated appearance. Here is my favorite blazer I wear for office hours as well as for special occasions. Silk tops add a touch of elegance and luxury to any wardrobe. Silk is breathable fabric, making it comfortable to wear, especially as the weather warms up. A well-cut silk top offers many wearing options from professional wear to evening attire throughout the seasons. If you are interested in discovering expert styling advice for a silk top, find the link in the description and download Mariliis Simple Top Style Guide for free. Investment pieces are made to last, and making a smart investment purchase is the key to creating the perfect capsule wardrobe. The right pieces can be worn for many years and in multiple ways, helping you to create your personal style. If you are interested in discovering the art of assembling a flawless capsule wardrobe for your travels, keep an eye out on my upcoming vlog, direct from Paris. Discover more styling ideas from my style guide. You'd be surprised at how many looks you can create with one single piece.